Guys, so we got everything loaded up at the shop. We drove about an hour. We're down at the buoy exit, and let's see if we can find Alex so he can do a welcome back here. You know what time it is, Alex?
Welcome back. You're so fun.
Hello? So where are we at here?
We are in the middle of nowhere with hot dogs that are way too overpriced.
Like $8 hot dogs?
Yeah, I think it was $6 a hot dog last time, and it was just a regular. I can go get a whole packet, like a 12-pack of them for the price I paid for one.
Like a bar ass pack.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I'm still going on about the hot dogs.
Yeah. So last time we were here, you got upset because the hot dogs cost so much.
Okay, I'm okay with paying that much for a hot dog when you're like Vegas or something, but I'm in the middle of BFE at a roach coach.
Yeah.
So the jerky's good here, though. The jerky's good.
Yeah, they got heat peanuts, and we got a story about heat peanuts. Me and a buddy, but I'm not gonna talk about that. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Cool. We're a minute in, so I guess we'll go to the next clip. Alrighty, a little whoop section. Smells like fire.
It smells like fire. Is that a razor thing that I wouldn't understand?
Oh man.
Just razor things.
I think the fuel line came off. Something happened.
That's a bad day, though.
It's a bad day.
Welcome back. Made it to the hill.
Race. Again, we're gonna get the 300 versus that thing.
They've already done a couple pulls up. YZ has a bad head gasket, so you'll have that. A Can-Am.
Dump it in second.
Yeah. Out here, guys. You found a nice sand hill. Can-Am going up right now.
Well, they turn better in sand, though.
Oh, yeah.
That line's definitely better. This line's a little rougher, but they're pretty damn close.
Yeah.
This thing is ripping. That thing's ripping too, though. Action here.
We're after 660. Welcome back.
Oh.
I kind of want to go footage up there. All right, I'm gonna see if I can head up there with you guys.
Looks fun.
Fun.
DTM 300, man, probably the best water trail trike right now, honestly. I'll fucking, we'll go on each side of you.
Just don't kill me.
No, just like stand there. We'll go on each side of you, like, and I'll try to wheelie by you.
Let's do it.
He's gonna get.
That looked pretty sick. Alright, we're gonna head down there?
Yeah. I like that flag. I like that flag. Yeah. So Drew's gonna ride the, hi Drew.
Yeah, hey, what's up?
We're gonna get you talking more on camera like you used to. Yeah. We're gonna ride the CR and I'm gonna rip the 300 some more. And
I wish the last user, honey.
I know. RJ was on the CR, but he's in old man mode now.
Hey, you know what? It's honestly like Drew's a really good rider and it's fun watching him, so I have more fun like watching him.
Okay.
I don't get arm pump.
Yeah.
Dude, I had 0 arm pump on this Trike. That thing is so
It's like
comfy.
a cloud.
It's so comfy to ride.
Got a little hot.
Yeah, she got a little warm. But man, it's a blast. Alex, what is happening right now?
We blew up the YZ, so it's Modelo
It's not
time.
blowing up. We have a leaky head gasket.
Can we ride it again today?
I mean, yeah.
Oh, we're good.
It's gonna lose the coolant though.
Well, that's fine. We got more coolant. I got a gallon of water.
Dude, this thing right here, I'm so freaking impressed with it. Like, so much fun out here. So much fun.
You were ripping on this thing.
Yeah, I mean, it's hard to get videos out here. I want to get some videos in the trails. We're gonna try after.
I was following behind
But
it.
we'll try and stop, get some corner shots, and Drew's gonna get on the big wheel, and him and I will just be ripping through. Trike and big wheel. This thing is too much fun.
Alex is having fun.
Not a breath. Not a breath pump around here. It was fun though, man. No arm pump. Just a fat ass. I don't ride enough. That's all right. I got some good shots, man.
That was sick.
Yeah, guys, we're just fucking around trying to find some spots to get some clips. We're pissing the girls off because they just want to go, but we want to take videos.
I want to ride my big wheel.
Right?
That was fun.
What a ripper, man.
Yeah.
So what do you think of these tires in the sand, the quad boss tires?
Oh, they're sick.
Not bad, right?
They float right in top.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna try different tires every time we come out just to get you guys some good feedback on tires. But yeah, for this loose terrain, worked pretty good.
It's a mix of hard pack, rock, and sand.
Yeah.
They're doing good and everything.
Yeah, I mean, we're not gonna run a paddle out here, but something like this is fine. Oh yeah. All right, back to the KTM 300. We'll go find the next spot.
Welcome back.
Here.
Well, we just ripped all the way out to the end of the line here.
The sand is actually
Raptor, Talon, got the KTM, and then the CR big wheel. He was pretty cool out here.
very similar, very
Having a blast. A lot of breath still. Turn the camera around.
This big wheel's so much fun.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. I like it more than a normal dirt bike.
Sometimes you just gotta rock it without the graphics. It's cool. Yeah, it's probably a good thing. You know, roughed it up a little and we're gonna make it fresh again. This thing though, keeping it pretty pristine. Got a little KTM with the frame guards. Got a little, rubbed a little right there. I'm trying not to squeeze on this thing because it's not my bike. But man, I'm having a fun time on it. Yeah, the view out here is like, probably can't even tell on camera, but pretty sick. Makes you want to ride over there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Pretty sick.
Hello?
Oh, we're all tired. I got little blisties on my fingers.
I am sunburned. You'll have that.
We had a storm roll through. You can probably see it down over there, but
It's a
tornado warnings. We packed everything up, got out of there. So now we're getting hot dogs.
The prices went down. I was talking crap about the hot dogs earlier, $6 hot dogs. The prices went down. They're reasonable now.
What are they, like $4?
$4. I
$4.50.
can pay $4 for a hot dog.
Yeah. I got a pink lemonade. Pretty excited about it.
I got a strawberry lemonade.
Yeah. Trailers loaded. RJ and his buddies stayed out for a little longer, so they're gonna rip the side-by-sides.
One of the side-by-sides, the Can-Am, bent an arm.
Yep.
I think we sent her a little too fucking hard there, bud.
That was fun.
We had to limp it back to the camp.
Drew hammered down on the CR. It was awesome watching him. That 300 KTM, I'm in love with that thing, so I'm definitely converting mine. I do have the 500 to ride, but man, that 300 just for like trails, holy shit, that thing's fun. I even spent some time on a Raptor too today, so overall, it was a good day. It's like a whoop section getting there. Gotta drive on some dirt roads, man. There's some serious flies out here. Gotta drive on some dirt roads to get out there, but man, it's a freaking blast over at Bowie or Bowie, however you guys say it. If anyone wants to comment how to say it, I don't know. I'm not from here, but yeah. So we're gonna eat some $4 hot dogs and drive back to the shop. And tomorrow maybe I'll do a little walk around of all the bikes and what worked, what didn't work. Anyway, guys, see you in the next video. Alex's first time in the Talon. Dude, that thing sounds so good.
Come on, get in.
Sounds so good.
This thing's fun.
Oh no, I'm not getting in that. You go hammer down, I'll video you. I don't do the passenger thing, you'll learn this. I'll let you just take it. Not bad, right?
Anyone that has anything to say about a Talon, if you've never drove one, you can't say shit.
Yeah, they're fun.
This thing is fun and it's quick.
Yeah.
It's fast.
No, it's a ripper. It doesn't have the, you know, the Can-Am top end speed, but man, out of the hole, it's a freaking blast.
Out of the hole and low end, this thing's quick.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, I'll put this thing away now.
All right. He's in love with the Honda Talon now. You're gonna have that.